Now, the next concept is the concept of self-organization. Self-organization refers to the process by which a system spontaneously organizes itself into structures or behaviors without external control or central coordination. So it shows the evolution of a system into an organized form in the absence of external pressures explicitly guiding the local behavior of the subsystems. This concept emphasizes the active role of the system's components in shaping the overall behavior or order. So we will be able to see the evolvement of organization through patterns or behavior without any leading or commanding authority. Now, this concept is very commonly seen in many systems in nature, such as the swarming of animals. It can be seen in the nervous system and even in society and the interaction between individuals. Now, the example that we are going to see through the simulation model is the example of the flocking of birds. We will be able to see the self-organization concept through this model. So this is our model. As you can see, we have this layout, and in this layout we have a certain number of birds that are moving around. Now the concept behind this model is quite simple. These birds do not have any external control that is controlling their actions. So they have no leader that is actually telling them what they need to do. What these birds are doing is that they are following a set of very simple rules. So these rules are: first, separation, which means that each bird tends to avoid getting too close to its neighbor. It adjusts its course or speed to maintain a safe distance and to avoid collisions. The second rule is the rule of alignment, which means that the birds try to align their direction of movement with that of their neighbors. And the third and final rule is the rule of cohesion, which means that the bird tends to move towards the center of mass of their neighbors, and they are attracted to nearby birds and try to stay close to them. So these are the only rules that these birds will follow. So let's run the model in order to see how the behavior of these birds is going to evolve just by following this set of simple rules. As we can clearly see, the birds have organized themselves into swarms, so now they are moving together in groups. Although no external leader or authority is managing their behavior, however, just by following some set of very simple rules, this is what they end up with. They end up with a certain organization, with a certain behavior that helps them to move together in groups in order to reach their final destination. As we can see, this model demonstrates how complex collective behaviors such as flocking can emerge from the interaction of simple agents following local rules. So it shows the role of local interactions in shaping global patterns.